In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddle. If you want a quick and easy way to start a live conversation in Slack without setting up a formal meeting, huddles are a great option. They're designed for fast, lightweight communication. Whether you need to ask a teammate a quick question, talk through an update, or jump into a more collaborative discussion. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get a huddle ready and start it smoothly. To begin, open the Slack conversation or channel where you want the huddle to happen and click on Huddle. This opens the huddle controls and gets you into the setup area. Starting from the right place is helpful because the huddle will be tied to that specific channel or direct message, making it easier for the right people to join. Once the huddle panel is open, click on the microphone icon to enable it. This allows Slack to use your microphone so other participants can hear you. If this is your first time using the feature, your device or browser may ask for microphone permission. Make sure to allow access, otherwise your audio won't come through. It's also a good idea to check that the correct microphone is selected if you use a headset or an external mic. Next, click on the speaker icon to enable it. This ensures that you'll be able to hear anyone else who joins the huddle. If you don't hear anything later, this is one of the first settings to double check. You may also want to confirm that your computer volume is turned up and that your preferred speakers or headphones are active. After that, click on the video icon to enable it if you want to join with your camera on. Video is optional in Slack huddles, so you can keep things audio only if that works better for the conversation. If you do turn video on, make sure your camera permission is allowed and that you're comfortable with what's visible in the background before you begin. Once your microphone, speaker, and video settings are ready, click on Start Huddle. That launches the huddle and makes it available for others in that conversation to join. At this point, you're live and ready to talk. And that's how to use Slack Huddle. As a quick tip, it's always worth checking your audio and video settings before starting, especially if you're joining from a new device. That small step can help you avoid delays and make the conversation feel much smoother from the start.